Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge. Today we shall continue with chapter number 3, pair of linear equations with two variables of class 10 CBSE NCERT syllabus. We are in exercise number 3.5, question number 1, fourth part. We are given these equations, we have to find the type of solution they give us, and if it is a unique solution then we have to solve these equations using cross multiplication method. So now let's see what the equations are. X minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Now here A1 is, if it is simply x, then it means that the coefficient is 1 here. So coefficient is 1, A2 is 3, B1 is, this is minus 3 and B2 is minus 3. C1 is minus 7, C2 is minus 15. Okay, now let's see what solution do these equations give us. So A1 by A2 is 1 by 3. B1 by B2 is minus 3 by minus 3. C1 by C2 is minus 7 by minus 15. Now let's solve it. Here it's already 1 by 3, which means that this is it's in the simplest form, so we need not do anything in this part. So here this minus can be cancelled and this goes one time in 3 table and this goes one time in 3 table, so this is 1 by 1. And here also minus and minus will get cancelled, but I cannot use divide these numbers using a common number, right? So I cannot do anything about this. Now from here we can understand, see, let me write it over here. This is 1 by 3 and this is 1 by 1 and this is not required, because here from this itself we can make out that 1 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 1, which means that A1 by A2, which belong to this, is not equal to B1 by B2, which belong to this, right? So this says that these equations will give us a unique solution because they will intersect at a point. So here we can write that these equations will form intersecting lines and therefore will give us a unique solution. Okay, so now the next part is, we have seen that this is giving a unique solution, so now we will have to solve these equations using cross multiplication method. So here the first step will be that we have to change all the terms to the left hand side, right? We want all the terms to be on the left hand side, so even the constant term. So now it is already in this form, so we need not do that. So our next step will be that we have to use these rows. This is the first row, this is the second row, and this is the third row. These rows will be arranged in the form of 2, 3, 1 and 2. So here we will have the second row's coefficients. So the coefficients here are minus 3 and minus 3. And here third row's coefficients, these will be constants. So this is minus 7 and minus 15. Minus 7, minus 15. Here first row's coefficients are 1 and 3. And here again second row's coefficients will repeat. So this is minus 3 and minus 3 from here to here. Okay. Now we have to draw the arrows for cross multiplying it. This way one time and this way. Now let's write it over here. This one will be the x part, this one will be the y part, and this one will be the part for 1. So let's write it, x by, from here to here, so this is minus 3 into minus 15, minus 3 into minus 15. and then we have to separate it using a minus sign and then write the values here. So this is minus 7 into minus 3. Minus 7 into minus 3. Now is equal to y minus 7 into 3 and then minus 1 into minus 15 is equal to, for 1 into minus 3 and then minus sign and then 3 into minus 3 into 3. Okay, now let's solve it. Here for x, now minus and minus, so in multiplication if you have 2 minus, then your answer will be positive. So 3 into 15 will be 45, but your answer will be in plus, so it is 45. Then minus sign will come here and then minus into minus, again it will be plus, and you will have to multiply this. 7 3s are 21, so this is plus 21 here. Okay, so is equal to, for y, here minus 7 into 3 is minus 21, because multiplication if there is one sign minus, then also the answer will be in minus. Okay, then minus sign here, 1 into minus 15 is minus 15, then is equal to 1 by 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, then minus 3 into 3 is minus 9. Now here for x, here 45 minus 21, we will write it here so that it will be easier. 45 minus 21 is equal to, so we will solve these signs now. Y by minus 21, we will have to write it as it is, so y minus 21, then minus and minus is plus, so this will be plus 15 here, plus 15 is equal to 1 by, now see here minus 3 will come here as it is, minus 3, then minus and minus is plus, so this will be plus 9 in the next step, so plus 9. Okay, now we will solve this. Now by 45 minus 21 is 24. Okay, then y minus and plus is minus, and so 21 minus 15 is 6. So but you will take the minus sign from the greater number, so this is minus 6, and same way here minus and plus is minus, so 9 minus 3 is 6, but the sign of the greater number is plus, so let's write plus 6. Now we have to equate this expression with this and then this expression with this for finding the values. So x by 24 is equal to 1 by 6. Now let's cross multiply. This will give us x into 6 will be 6x, and then 24 into 1 is 24. So now this gives us x is equal to 24 divided by 6. This goes 4 times, so x is equal to 4. Okay, then this expression we have to equate it with this one. So it is y by 6 minus 6 is equal to 1 by 6. Now cross multiply, so this will give us y into 6 will be 6y is equal to minus 6 into 1 is minus 6. So this will give us y is equal to minus 6 divided by 6, this goes 1 time, so your y is equal to minus 1. This is your value for y. Now that's all. We have finished the first question. 4 parts were there. We have finished all 4 now. So I hope you find it easier. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until we meet in the next video, bye bye.